Welcome back to the best car, the place where luxury meets performance and passion drives every review. If you love high-end automobiles that combine art and engineering, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Lexus LC 500, a masterpiece that's turning heads and stealing hearts in the world of grand touring coupes. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 is more than just a car. It's a symbol of what happens when design, technology, and raw power are brought together with purpose. At first glance, it commands attention with its sleek silhouette, low-slung profile, and bold spindle grille. The new model keeps the iconic LC design language but sharpens it slightly with refined LED lighting and updated aerodynamics. It's elegance with an edge. Under the hood, the 2025 LC 500 still roars with a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine. It delivers 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. This means 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds, and every rev of the engine sounds like a symphony of power. Lexus has fine-tuned the suspension for even better handling this year, offering improved responsiveness without sacrificing comfort. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The cabin of the LC 500 is crafted like a fine suit. Hand-stitched leather, Alcantara accents, and brushed aluminum details come together to create an atmosphere that's both sporty and sophisticated. The 2025 model now include a larger 12.3-inch infotainment display with Lexus updated user interface, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an improved Mark Levinson audio system that immerses you in crisp, powerful sound. For those concerned about tech and safety, the 2025 LC 500 doesn't disappoint. Lexus includes its Safety System Plus suite as standard. This gives you adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. It's a grand tourer that's just as smart as it is stylish. Driving the LC 500 is an experience. It's not just about speed, though it has plenty of it. It's about the connection between car and driver. The steering is tight, the chassis is well-balanced, and even long drives feel like a joyride. Whether you're cruising the highway or taking on twisty back roads, the LC 500 is ready to thrill. The 2025 model also offers a convertible version for those who want open-air excitement. The power-folding soft top opens in about 15 seconds and tucks away seamlessly, keeping the sleek lines intact. With the top down, that V8 soundtrack becomes even more intoxicating. Starting around $100,000, the Lexus LC 500 is not for everyone. But for those who crave luxury, performance, and presence in one stunning package, it might just be the perfect car. It's a rare blend of Japanese craftsmanship and raw emotion, a car that feels alive. Thanks for watching The Best Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a ride. See you in the next one.